Tommies, welcome back to DAT Family 5. Today I'll be getting ready for a double date with two of our other friends, and y'all know I am not a master at doing my face, so it takes practice. I look okay. So if y'all have any ideas or any suggestions, let me know. Welcome to my new people. If you haven't yet, please go ahead and consider to subscribe to this channel. We do cleaning motivation, lifestyle stuff, family stuff, all types, whatever a family do, guess what? We do it. And we are the family that loves life and having fun and giving you the motivation and inspiration that you need to live your life the most abundantly. So right now I'm just prepping my face. I had already washed and took a shower and everything, but I just did another cleanse with the witch hazel. As you see, I just put the primer spray on and I'm about to put some concealer on. Y'all, like I said, I don't do a whole face often. Normally I just do my concealer and that's it, and maybe some lip gloss. But yeah, we were going on a date. Haven't been on a date in a while, so I wanted to look sort of kind of my best.
In this life, none of us can know what's coming. So if you wanna be with me, baby, can you see? You gotta make room for a self-made woman like me. Don't expect you to lie down flat, not unless you really want. I'm not after a new doormat or a pretty thing to flaunt. So if you got plans for us tonight, for this here thing to turn out right, then from the start let's get this one thing clear. Oh, you should know you're looking at a self-made woman.
So this is the oldest, Rayne. She was trying to help me out because she is the makeup guru in our house. She does amazing makeup work. I'm trying to get her to do some videos for me, but you know how teenagers do. But yes, I think she'll be a really good role model for other dark-skinned chocolate babies because she does amazing work.
Wanna be with me, baby, can't you see? You gotta make room for a self-made woman like me. Could you be that someone I could trust? Tell me, baby, do I didn't take my defense down like I know I must? Gotta give it a chance. Gotta get out on that floor. Gotta get out on that floor. Gotta get out on that floor and dance. So, oh, you should know you're looking at a self-made woman. Yeah, you should know I got nothing for free. Oh, in this life, none of us can know what's coming. No. So if you wanna be with me, baby, can't you see? You gotta make room for a self-made woman like me. Oh, said you gotta make room for a self-made woman like me. Hey, yeah. Said you gotta make room for a self-made woman like me. Got my head over water for the first time in years. When my feet cross the border from a land of tears, ain't no way I'm going back under. Got my eyes in the wild blue yonder. Will lies beyond the horizon? Let's go find out. Feeling free to live my life, free
Hey you guys, how y'all doing? We just had our first double date. It can't be post-COVID because we're still in COVID. So the water's warming up finally. But it was nice. It was really nice. Sometimes you just need other couple time, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna take this makeup off. Y'all saw me put it on, and y'all saw a couple pictures of me, the husband, hanging out, and my outfit of the night. And so now I'm gonna take off my. Let me turn the water off. I'm talking above it. Let me close the bathroom door. It's TV loud. So I'm gonna use my Noxzema. And I'm going to do like 3 because I have like 3 faces on. It's crazy. So Mary Kay, and then the Invigorating, to make sure I got everything off. And then after that, I'm going to go ahead and tone with Witch Hazel. Okay, and then after that, I moisturize with some coconut oil, which then at that time, I'm also going to put, sorry y'all, that food was good, and conversation was wonderful, so yeah, what I say? Oh, and put some coconut oil in my scalp. What I do? I washed my hair today because I taught today, and I need to get to this. I taught today, and with me teaching today and yesterday and last Friday, it was time to wash. I'm not tightening because it's not time to tighten just yet. But it was time to wash, so I did wash today, and I actually used some Suave stuff just to get it nice and clean. I do need a deep clean soon. I don't know if you can see, but I need a deep clean. I do have a lot of length. Y'all want to see? Okay, hold on. I'm so happy, proud of my hair. So I have a lot of length now. I'm gonna have to show y'all what I look like before my locks. I didn't look no different. It's just the hair was hair. But we're gonna get this face clean. I think I look pretty though. Y'all know I don't know how to do wings, and I keep doing them, but I like to try new things. So yeah. So let's get to washing this face.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so.
Cause my heart goes ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. Cause my heart goes ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba.
What you need from me? Need your love on me. Put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me. Put your faith in me. Put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time. When you say you want me for life, was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya. Begging on my knees just to show ya. You're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself.